How to manage your ChatGPT library on Android. This tutorial shows you how to organize, find, and clean up your conversations quickly and easily. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. Let me show you, and you may tap on Library. From there, you'll see all your past conversations, organized by date. Today, yesterday, and older chats further down. At this point, scroll through the list to find a specific conversation. Tap on it to open it. At this stage, if you want to delete a specific conversation, press and hold on it and tap on Delete from Library. Then tap on Delete again to confirm. From here, if you want to clear your entire library at once, tap on your profile icon at the top right and go to Settings. At this stage, tap on Data Controls and tap on Clear All Chats to wipe everything in one go. Let me show you. Tap on Delete to confirm. And that's it. If this guide helped you manage your ChatGPT library, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.